welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel just at click.com, and today's video is all dedicated to HP EliteBooks Revolve 810. A very different variant out here with a very different specifications, looks out there. But few things which definitely does not change out here is the technology used out. It uses Intel vPro technology out here. Yes, the technology used out is Intel vPro technology. Along with that, you also get to see that it uses a security chip system of TPM 1.2 security chip. So you get to have that version also. So this could be seen out of this variant. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that EliteBook series was basically designed for the corporate world. So it is going to have an HD display, going to be a medium designed gadget, like if we talk about the size, it is going to be medium design. Now let us specifically talk about each and every specifications, and talking about specifications, let us first talk about the core processing out there, the CPU. Talking about it, it has got Intel Core i5 third generation. Yes, it is offering you Intel Core i5 third generation out here. Along with that, you get to see 1.9 gigahertz speed of the clock base speed out there. Yes, the Intel Core i5 third generation offers you base speed of 1.9 gigahertz. Whereas the max turbo speed is offered out to be 2.9 gigahertz. Yes, the max turbo speed offered out is 2.9 gigahertz out there. Whereas the dual core system is being again processed by this. Yes, it offers a dual core processing system with a mobile tech Intel Express chip system. So chip system plays an important role out in these gadgets. So mobile Intel Express QM77 is the chip system offered out there. Along with that, you get to see that this variant is offering you Intel Turbo Boost technology 2 with speed step technology. Yes, Intel Turbo Boost technology 2 with speed test technology. Apart from that, when we talk about these gadgets, then we know memory, because if a gadget is compact looking handy, very handy, then the memory is very important part of it. So talking about the memory, it has got L3 type cache memory. Yes, number one is the cache memory out here. L3 type cache memory could be seen out here with an install size of 3 MB. Yes, install size of 3 MB could be seen out there. Along with that, you will get to see that the RAM, random accessory memory out here, offers you 8 GB installed size. Yes, 8 GB is the installed size of the RAM out here. Talking about this RAM, talking about everything out here, talking about these kind of specifications, we can say that the speed out here in the RAM with 8 GB installed RAM is offered out to be 1600 megahertz. Yes, 1600 megahertz is the maximum rated speed out offered by this. What kind of RAM does it use? Because RAM variant has to be identified. So it uses DDR3L RAM type. Yes, DDR3L RAM type could be seen out on this variant. Whereas you get to see that it has a configuration in the format of 4 plus 4 GB. Yes, the configuration or the memory out here is in the form of 4 plus 4. That's why internally 8 GB. Whereas 8 GB sometimes might not be sufficient for few users, so it can have a maximum support size of 12 GB also. So maximum support size of 12 GB could be seen out here. So you get to have one slot only. So you get to have 12 GB total RAM type. But when we are talking about the RAM, we cannot neglect out the fact that the hard drive plays the major role out in these kind of things. Talking about the hard drive, it has got SSD type hard drive storage of approximately 256 GB. 256 GB is the hard drive storage out there in the form of SSD. Now, when we are talking about the storage, when we talked about everything, we know that when we are talking about HP gadgets, HP design gadgets out there, they are designed in that way that they can provide optimum functionality in the environmental harsh conditions, because they designed gadgets keeping in mind all the environmental factors like humid temperature tolerance out there, so these kind of things. Same happens with this. This also works very well in these environmental factors. Along with that, you get to see that it is offering you a very different kind of a screen size, a different kind of a screen out there, detachable type screen size, 360-degree type screen size. So it is definitely offering you a multi-touch point. So this is going to have a multi-touch point also. Now talking about this multi-touch gadget, what kind of gadget does it offer? It offers you Gorilla Glass protection. Yes, it offers you Gorilla Glass protection 2 out here. You get to see Gorilla Glass protection also in this gadget. Along with that, you are offered LED display with a backlight technology. LED display with backlight technology is really an amazing featuring in the entire HP series. Along with that, you have got a wide screen with HD resolution. Yes, the resolution out here, the display out here is HD resolution. Now, when we are talking about this gadget out here, the monitor featuring glass protection is given. What is the other things involved in this? The what other monitor featuring things are there? You get to have ultra wide viewing angle. Yes, ultra wide view angle is a very important point out there. Ultra wide view angle. Intel display power saving technology. So you get to have the Intel display power saving technology, which you can use while you are not working directly on the laptop. Like indirectly, you have detached it and working on touch screen out there. You can use that time or any other part you can use. Like it usually saves the power out there. Now let us come to the screen size because it looks compacty out here. So it has got a screen size of 29.5 centimeters. Yes, the screen size offered out here is 29.5 centimeters. Now, when we are talking about this gadget, let us talk about the audio part and the video part because display, touch screen, multi-touch, everything is wonderful out here. But if you don't get your videos properly, multimedia is not working appropriately, then how does it work? How is the capturing capacity of it? So it has got integrated webcam with a capturing resolution of 1280 into 720. With integrated webcam, you get to have stereo speakers and microphones also inbuilt in it. Yes, these things can be also seen out there, and both are from stereotype type only. So stereotype speaker, stereotype microphone can be seen out here. Apart from that, you get to see that the graphical part, if we talk about the graphics out there, then you get to see Intel HD graphics 4000. So this is really interesting to see that Intel's HD graphics 4000 is being used with a shared video memory out here. Yes, shared video memory could be seen out here. So this is really amazing out there. Along with that, we have got really a good uh, functionalities with the keyboard, the touchpad out here, the click pads out there, digitalizers out there. Everything works very well. Apart from that, you get to have a good connectivity with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB connectivity is 2, 3. You get to have a good connectivity with other systems like audio input, output connectivity, power connectivity, SD card reading, flash card reading, these kind of connectivities. But you will not find any optical drive connectivity in this. Yes, optical drive connectivity is not seen out in this variant yet. This has been all about this gadget functionalities and everything. But does it offers a good battery life? Because battery life also plays an important role. Talking about the battery life, it offers you 6-cell lithium polymer battery of capacity 44 volts. Yes, 44 volts, 6-cell lithium polymer battery is seen out in this variant, which is not very heavy, not very light out there, but offers you great battery out there, working off approximately 9 hours work timing could be seen out in this variant. Now we have talked about each and every specification. Design is really good out there. But what about the pricing? It is also an important part. So let us visit out a website. This is justatclick.com. Yes, this website justatclick.com offers you great range of products out there because you get to have a collection of gadgets from top brands. Apart from that, you also get to see that it offers you pocket friendly rates. Yes, they are offering you reasonable rates. Along with that, you get to have a customizability option in this website also. You get to have a customization option. If a gadget can be customized from the company itself, then you can customize your gadgets accordingly. So customization option is available. Also, you can customize the gadgets according to that. Now, talking about this gadget, talking about this variant, let us talk about the gadget out here in the search icon, because it helps to search the gadget in a very limited format out here. Talking about the results, this is the result out here. You get to see a small description out here. You also get to see that it is under the category of refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition first and know what are refurbished products all about. Talking about refurbished products or refurbished brand, or talking about the refurbished word itself, it means creating something new like. And when we talk about brand new and refurbished, then we can say they both are similar like products. Actually, brand new products are extension of refurbished. Yes, when we talk about refurbished, then brand new like products or the similar products like that, or we can say every brand new product becomes refurbished, or refurbished products are once brand new products are actually the same thing. Now, when we are talking about brand new products and refurbished products, they have got the same design, they have got the same functionality, because refurbished products are a pre-owned gadgets. Yes, these are pre-owned brand new gadgets. Now, how does it work? Like, how are the pre-owned gadgets, brand new like pre-owned gadgets working? When we talk about that, then it follows a small pathway that is base is the company out here. When we talk about the base is the company always which provides you the gadget for the first time. Now, talking about the gadgets, you get to have the gadget out here, as well as you get to see that the gadget has been brought up in the market. Now, this has been brought up in the market. Now, users are buying these gadgets and all. Now, when you get to see that the gadget is for the first time released out in the market, and first time you are having that gadget, it is known as brand new product. Yes, this is known as brand new product then. Now, when we are talking about these gadgets, this terminates the brand new chain. And the brand new products are actually nothing else but we can say new gadgets out there for the first time owned by any user. But what happens after this? Now you have owned that gadget. Now you want to resell it. You don't want to use it anymore. You want some other person to have it, or you want to have a new gadget again. So you want to resell that gadget. And this comes under the category of refurbished. Yes. Now what is this refurbished uh, pathway out here? Every brand new gadget, when owned by any user like us, and after that it is again sold out to another user, it is termed as refurbished or pre-owned gadget. This pre-owned gadget is brought up to a marketplace where it is being resold, where you are going to sell this off. After that, you get to see that this gadget has been brought up in the market. You are going to have this. It is written as a product condition that is refurbished. Now, it will not be a brand new gadget because it has already been used once. Yes, it has already been used once. It has already been into the market once. It has already been a pre-owned gadget. So it is not a brand new gadget now. It is a refurbished gadget. Now, when we are talking about this ending of refurbished, how the user buys it, we can say that refurbished is extension of brand new. Along with that, you get to see that brand new and refurbished has a major difference in the testing sites. Now, what are these testing sites? These are nothing else but the testing parameters or the testing sites where every gadget is testified and verified out there. Talking about this, we can say that every gadget in brand new has to be tested on various different sites, whereas refurbished gadgets are tested and verified on a same or a single site out there. Yes, they are tested, verified, approved on the same site where you are going to sell your gadget, or where that gadget is going to be resold again. Now let us talk about the testing parameters. Let us talk what are the parameters included in the testing of it. Testing parameters generally include the external parameters and the internal parameters. Yes, there are two different parameters, external and internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, we can say these are actually the parameters which we see directly through our eyes, which can be externally seen. You do not require any software, any tool out there, like display, screen size, buttons out there, button intactness out there. Talking about the functionality of each button, touchpad, connectors, USB connectors, power jack, or input output jacks out there, camera, working of camera, scratches, or the battery, charging capacity, charger. So these kind of things which do not require any component or any software out here. Whereas talking about internal components, you require specialized software, high equipments out there, because these are testing of internal parameters. Yes, internal parameters like chip system, processor, speed, RAM, storage speed out there, drive, power connectors, charging out there, graphics, resolution, display type. So these kind of things, internal connections out there. So these kind of things has to be tested with specialized software, specialized tools, everything out there. Now, when we are talking about these parameters, now parameters are absolutely same. Design is same, functionality is same, everything is same. So why are we preferring, or we are recommending, or we suggest to have a refurbished product once? Because it offers you few benefits. Why? First benefit, it is offering you a pocket friendly rate. Talking about rating, brand new products offers you actually high pricing. Yes, they are quite expensive. When we talk about brand new products, they are quite expensive out here, whereas refurbished products are actually less expensive, or we can say pocketable out here. Talking about these pocketable rates and high pricing, the difference in the pricing causes a huge amount of difference. So this could be said as a savings. So you can have a huge saving if you try out any refurbished product. But when we are talking about brand new and refurbished, the warranty period in brand new products are is actually 1 year. Yes, 1 year is the brand new warranty period. Along with that, you get to see exchange policy also. But if you're buying any pre-owned gadget from any place out there or directly from a person, you do not get any warranty period because there is no condition written out here. But if you have a condition written as product type, refurbished or certified refurbished, then it is said as to have a warranty period of 6 months as well as 7 day exchange policy. So you get to have 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy also. But have you ever thought what would happen if the product fails in any testing? If it fails in any testing out there, it has to be renewed, it has to be manufactured, renewed, or replaced, that part out there from the original part issued by the company. Yes, so it is absolutely safe. It is not using any false part because it is offering you absolutely newly like gadget. Now we can try out these refurbished products, and for refurbished products, this site we were talking at just at click.com. Yes, we are at just at click.com. This site offers you amazing refurbished products. Yes, the site just at click.com offers you amazing refurbished products. Talking about refurbished products or refurbished laptops, there you can have a large selection out there. Yes, you get to have a large selection. Along with that, you get to have great deals because rates out there are very much reasonable. Along with that, you can save a huge amount of savings. Yes, savings because brand new and refurbished products have a difference in their pricing. Along with that, you get to have a 6 months warranty period also. So you get to have that 6 months warranty period. Apart from that, COD and free shipping, money back guarantee, online support system. Apart from that, you get to have a customizability option at the site just at click.com. Yes, just at click.com offers you customizability option. Now talking about customizability, you can customize your gadgets like the RAM out there, or you can customize the storage out there. So these kind of things will be customized, which have been issued by the company itself. So description has the link. You can check out the description box for the link, or you can type on Google just at click.com. So for best pricing, visit out the website. Till then, take care.